Wiring is huge. I need to know where wires go. And I always think of this story. I just so happened to be checking checking the fuse, and I found that, it was doing some weird things. The voltage was fluctuating not correctly. It was doing some oddball things. And so I checked where that fuse went. Because in the assumption is that it literally tells you on the fuse, just looking at the fuse box, like, hey, this is powering the vent valve. Okay, but in reality, we went to Identifix and we were able to find out that fuse shared power to the transmission control module. There's nothing worse than going on a wiring diagram, looking at a fuse and go, oh, that only powers that one thing because you looked up vent valve, right, for example, and that's all where it went, and that's not what y'all's do. And so it allowed us to figure out where that fuse shared power because it was very easy to read, very accurate, and we were able to then literally pull the dipstick, realize the transmission smelled really funny, drop the pan and found out it was full of metal. Not only saving our shop time, money, making us as technicians feel like we did a quality job, but we didn't send that customer down, a couple $1,000 rabbit holes of EVAP system problems when it turns out they needed a transmission.